Lieutenant. Yo. Lieutenant. Is that you, Lieutenant?
Yo. Get you in.
Is that you, Lieutenant? Spitting sauce packs like Taco Bell has. Yes, you know what, you gon' get it fast. When I jump past that blind, I'm on a mattress, axe swinging. Wait, I did it in the past tense. Wait, what? It makes sense. Now I'm bill collecting, I'm in the sector, I'm calling for paper, you understood that word? That was a pure verse, I'm rhyming literature, I think I did it in a different shirt. I have a merch and I dumbed it down so you could understand my verse. I'm gonna read it backwards,
Gonna get you
Yo, bring the beat back, I'm about to hop on it. Yo, I'm talking something important, I'm a soldier, United States veteran, I'm messing this beat up again, and yo. Make it relevant, I'ma celebrate. Lieutenant, about to take a crash course after I talk to ghost orbs. Flight team never getting low scores. Now I'm beating up a dead horse with Jeff and Gordon. How golden, what? Let me set scores, then I'm back on the chorus. It's 45th second, bring it back before I go wreck it. Oh yeah. I'm on the chorus and I'm gonna be ripping it. Yep, you know, Lieutenant Innovative, about to start maintenance again. Call Ben Franklin, that's my homie, he's a native here. I've been on call Forbes and spitting snowstorms. That's the folklore. I'm playing notes and chords on the aux and the form. What, Lieutenant? You know the beat's distorted. It's important. I'ma support it, of course. Yeah, the flow is less cringy. That's what I said simply. It's chopped and screwed. It ain't rude either. Yo, I'm tank shooting, I'm in the mood while I'm stewing. Lieutenant is back brewing, I'm rhyming half mutant and mutant. I said it twice and then it was included. Yeah, with attitude and gratitude, I'm passing through Saturn's moons. That's the interlude. I said in the captain's suit, I'm coming back, I'm counting loot, that's true. Andrews is shifting the flow, it's lifted, it's twisted, it's vicious, it's gifted. I'm coming back, I mentioned it. Yeah, now I'm enlisting and they'll be my witnesses. I'm coming, I'm drifting the rhythm. I'ma get someone, I'm done with this. I'ma bump this mix. Okay, you can watch this spin. Yeah, I got a grin on. I'm coming back and I'm swinging like King Kong. Oh wait, that was a weird one. Yeah, Lieutenant, my brightness is down. I think I'm bringing it back up. It was so profound. It sounded right. Yeah. Early dynamite, 95 Andrews height, yeah. You dare me to, that would be awesome and wild. How awfully proud of it I am. About to do it in my dance, yeah. About to bounce and hit my, yeah. It's a new trend. Yo, this is my 5th scripture. I'm bringing it back. I'm taking pictures. I recapture that moment, 3rd dimension. 4th one, inception. Yeah, I'm playing it. Doesn't matter. I'm switching passwords with the different capitals. Yeah. How natural. Belly flopping. I meant to do a cannonball. Now I'm back on the Adderall with an admiral animal. I should have an Academy Awards for these obese short spurts while I'm getting cheese with hors d'oeuvres. Yeah. Let me bump corn first, then I'll vibe on it for sure. I'm back on my 5th take and my 4th shirt. I'm dropping heat, that's for sure. I'm sticking up posters all over the town and it's back and I'm focused. Yeah. Am I allowed to? Please, I need to know. It's flowing golden, I'm spitting waves, so grab floaties. I'm back, I'm saying something that they'll go read. I'm see it on the yellow paper like post-its, yeah. I'll take it to trial, what's it, emotion? I guess it is. Lieutenant representing peace mode. I'm back on that American Eagle line. I said nothing evil, fine, I'm brought it back. Yeah, I'm divine, Lieutenant. Yeah. I'm on my grind, I'm doing rail slides. My alter ego pick my style. I heard him floating twice, let me check, so hang tight. Yeah, on a stage dive, I'm brought it back up fine. I played dice with steak knives. It was remain right when I played time and passed my 8th line. The flight team about to hang glide by the dock side again. Selling cowhide, but right now I'm tongue-tied. I'm about to spit the most slang after I eat cold bait. Even though it was a bold claim, it was truth-based. I'm brought it back, the volume piece, boost it up. Yeah, that's what I meant. Yeah, this is the part where I make a weird face and dip out on a go-kart outside the estates. I'm speaking English, cutting the yellow tape, no brakes. I'm at, yeah. No no accident. I'm gonna come back, letting off the fire extinguishers from the cabinet. That was half written, I just don't know, I'm coming back there now. Tell Kevin it was an angelic verse about 777. That'll be a different edit, Lieutenant interjecting what that was reckless, yeah. What an obscene gesture, face paint like Heath Ledger, cause I'm joking with the offensive sweat. I'm back, I'm scribbling, yeah. Just don't tag Eminem. Mr. Beast's challenge making the most sense. Smart Alec, how about I spit flames? No need to light matches. I might rhyme backflip after the trap skip. A legendary, yeah. Rhyming blackberry with rosemary. I'm mixing fragrances and the primaries. Grab the auxiliary while I'm flowing, spinning like a ceiling fan at the monastery. Momentarily necessary round January, yeah. Maybe I was off a bit. I won't call in sick. That was another endorsed monster riff. Hit the top of the list for no reason. Hashtagging seizures after I read verbs. I'm dropping this heat verse. Yo.